Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the AlipayHK identification verification not working. First, make sure you're entering the correct personal details exactly shown as on your official documents. Then ensure that your camera is clear and properly focused while scanning your ID. Use a well-lit environment to avoid blurry or dark images. Then check your internet connection as verification requires a stable connection. If the verification fails multiple times, wait for some time before trying again. Also, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for AlipayHK and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Then, if the problem continues, contact AlipayHK support for their instructions. That's how you fix the AlipayHK identity verification issues. If this video helped you, do not forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications for more helpful guides.